Future of blogging. Technology and the IT industry keep on updating itself on a regular basis. In the past era, there were many limited options available for making money online. However, now as people are learning many new skills, they are capable of finding various ways through which they can get self-employed. And one of the most implemented methods through which a person can earn without working under somebody's nose is blogging. Blogging is one of the best career options you have in 2021. If you are already blogging and gaining experience in this field, then I am sure that you don't need any introduction to the blog. However, if you are a beginner, and want to know what it is and how you can earn through your blog in the future, then you must join me in this ride. Future of blogging? Future of blogging? Growing at a rapid speed, we can proudly say that the future of blogging in India is quite bright and going to help a lot in the IT industry. Blogging is a platform on which a person can share any information, and it is not at all mandatory that one should do it for earning purposes only. If you love to write, love to explore your thoughts, then also you can create a blog and start writing on it. If this is the scenario, then it should not matter how much traffic is coming to your blog because you are not going to earn anything. But yes, if your sole purpose is to earn through your blog, then you must know some unique techniques through which you can turn heads towards your blog and earn your living with your blog. Yes, we do admit blogging is tough, that's why this is cleaned industry. Once you build the authority of your site, then things will become easy for you. If you are thinking about whether the future of blogging in India is going to be successful or not, then surely it can be. But it is quite tight to accept this by society. Wondering why? Here are your answers. Blogging, as many people do not appreciate a full-time job. They think it is a waste of time and money because initially, you don't earn anything. Explaining people about blogging in detail is tough as they are not updated with the latest technologies and digital marketing tools. People do a part-time job to earn more money so that they can fulfill their other needs. But, doing a part-time job is not worthy because it will not make you financially stable. As many people are getting aware of this platform, all are trying to earn extra money through a blog. However, it is not that easy. There are things you need to keep in mind if you want to make blogging as your earning platform. Let us see the top 4 things to keep in mind while blogging. Things you should know while starting a blog. 1. You need to keep patience. Being a beginner and new to this world, sometime you might get irritated or frustrated because you will not get any organic traffic in a single or 2 days. Blogging is a time-consuming thing, and if you are serious about it, then you have to put all your efforts and push yourself without thinking about a penny. Once your blog starts getting traffic and useful links, the money will come automatically. 2. Know your niche. As I said, if you want to express your thoughts, then it is not necessary to keep these points in mind, but if you're going to earn through it, then you need to focus on your niche. Suppose your blog is about food recipes, and you are writing about technology, then it is meaningless. There are thousands of blogs that already exist, so you need to focus on what niche you are selecting. 3. Write unique content. Don't ever think to copy others' content as it will not going to provide you with anything. You need to focus on what content you are writing, and it should be or must be unique, otherwise no one will read it. Don't write too complex sentences, keep short and straightforward phrases that can be understood by anyone. 4. Share your content. Once you are done with writing the content, share it on all your social media platforms and start investing some money to run ad campaigns and more. With this method, you will begin getting either social traffic and slowly organic traffic will start arriving on your blog, and once it is happening, you can think about earning money. At the initial stage, all you can do is put as much effort as you can. How much do new bloggers earn in India? Bloggers make a decent income from affiliate marketing and AdSense in India. Most bloggers work on niche blogs that flood their bank balance with affiliate commissions. Is blogging dead in 2021? No, blogging will not die anytime soon, as nowadays more people have access to the internet and information. Especially in India, it is going to boom. If you Google, you will get no Google search queries also have increased from last 5 years. Scope of blogging in India is super bright. This is the best time to jump into blogging. Should you start blog in 2021? Yes, definitely, why not? This is the best time in which you can start your blogging journey. Why I am saying this? Because you have more guides and resources to learn from and succeed in your blogging career.